Hey there, Chey Loraine here, your corporate marketing director. Welcome back as we continue on our series on shooting video on your iPhone. If you missed video 1 on iPhone settings, click here or here, probably here, to check it out. Otherwise, let's get right into tripods. Of course, you don't need a tripod. You don't have to have it when you're shooting video with your iPhone. Some people are totally into that bumpy C-stick, wavy look. However, if you're shooting educational videos for marketing to promote your brand or your business, I highly recommend a tripod. A tripod is going to help you get that professional quality look by stabilizing your camera. And as it turns out, you don't actually have to spend a lot of money on a tripod. Quite frankly, any tripod that will stabilize your phone will do. Spending tons of money on a tripod is not going to make your videos better. What makes your videos better is you and your content. Remember, content is king. But you do need a tripod to stabilize your video. So let's talk about my favorite. This is the tripod that I have at both my home and my office. My favorite thing about it is it's a gooseneck. So you can wiggle it around and adjust it in any way that you want. What I also like about it is that it goes really high, which is great for finding the perfect angle. The most flattering angle is going to be at eye level or slightly higher and tilted down. Having the tripod lower than your face and looking down is going to give you that double chin look. You've probably seen when people are on video, maybe on Zoom on their laptops, and you're looking up their noses because the camera's down here. We don't want that. We want you to look good. Remember, your success is my success. I want you to look good on camera. So get a tripod. This gooseneck tripod that I got on Amazon for only like $35. And actually, I have a couple of them. So if I want to run my teleprompter on one of them and my phone on the other, or get 2 angle shots, run 2 iPhones to get a side angle shot, I've got my tripods. I also have the same tripod for my iPad, but I did have to buy this adapter so that it would fit my iPad. Even when I'm doing walking shots, I use a tripod. For that, I typically use a special one called a gimbal, which will stabilize motion. But that's a level up tip, so we'll save that for another day. In the meantime, if you're doing walking shots, a cost-effective option is actually a good old-fashioned selfie stick. I have a $10 selfie stick, and it even has a little light on it, and I absolutely love it. And sometimes I use this for walking shots. It also converts to a tabletop tripod, and honestly, I just love this little thing. It's very light, it folds up, and I can just toss it in my purse. So that wraps up tripods. If you got value out of today's video, please hit that like button. Next up, we're going to talk about lighting. And I must tell you that lighting is the #1 most important part of shooting video. So click right here to get my best tips on lighting. Trust me, this is a big one. It's huge. So check it out.